Prosperity of Life reviews legit or scam. Prosperity of Life reviews legit or scam. If you've been searching for personal development programs or financial growth courses, you might have come across Prosperity of Life. Most people get this wrong by assuming all online growth platforms are scams. The surprising truth is that Prosperity of Life is legitimate, but it's not a magic solution. You won't believe what happens next. Prosperity of Life offers courses, coaching, and resources focused on mindset, wealth building, and productivity. Many users report gaining helpful insights and practical strategies, but results vary depending on personal effort and engagement. The platform provides structured lessons and exercises designed to motivate users and track progress. However, some reviews mention that certain claims about guaranteed financial success are exaggerated. It's important to approach any personal growth program with realistic expectations. Pricing is reasonable compared to in-person seminars, and the platform provides access to online materials immediately after purchase. Customer support is available for inquiries or technical issues. In conclusion, Prosperity of Life is a legitimate platform for personal development and financial education. While it won't make you rich overnight, consistent use of the resources can help you improve productivity, mindset, and financial habits. Approach it with realistic goals, and you're likely to benefit from the lessons it offers.